So, you want to clean your disgusting Anvil device? It's really not that hard. You just need a block of this Ukrainian green shit. Rub some polish onto paper. Just like this here. See? Good. Scrub that motherfucker like it owes you money. Did you know the Anvil device can send you to an alternate dimension? This dimension runs at 600 times normal speed. Do your hands hurt? Good. That means it's working. Sorry, I had to take a big dump. You are doing fantastic. Almost there.
20 minutes later.